Hello everyone, this is a 16-inch Airway table fan that I got from my friend Mars. There's the tag, but it's kind of dark, so you probably can't really see it. I have it here on my patio. It's rugged, to say the least, and it's hardwired to run when I plug it into that. That's very legit electrical, I know. And it's tied up there because the thing has a tendency to fall over. But, you know, it was rusty when I got it. It had been sitting outside of an antique shop and stuff, but it was locked up. My friend Mars Clark, who lives in Floresville, and we worked on it, freed it up, oiled it, all that good stuff. It runs like a champ. And it's got a new cord on it. And I'm going to plug it in. It's not very noisy overall, especially for how big it is. But it puts out just a ton of air. And it comes in handy for out here, because this patio builds up heat a lot. So between this and the ceiling fans and the exhaust fan, and having the windows open, and this one here, it works out to be okay. The air's moving nicely. So yeah. Like I said, it's just one speed. It turns off when you unplug it. It's not a very fancy fan by any stretch of the imagination, but it's just what I need for out here. It's almost like an old Dayton in a lot of ways, but the brand is Airway. And there we have it. Cool fan, and I hope you enjoyed.